Hey guys, Superboy here, and welcome to my first video of Minecraft. Today we're gonna play some parkour. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here. Hope this is good. This map is for more than one player. Testers, Skypers, LP, Noob, LP, Paintball, Slender, Parkour, Fight, Soccer, Mario Kart, Shooting Battle. The aren't all games. Wait for an update. Here we are. Paintball. What's this? No. Parkour. This and this and this. Oh. This and this. What shall we do here? If you die, you are out of the game. Oh, if I die, I'm out of the game. Okay. Jump and jump. Oh, I'm not die. I'm not dead, I mean. I hope I'm not dead. That was close. That was so close. Yes. I'm almost dead. Oh, where? Here? Oh, there. Oh, I'm not dead. I'm still going. Up and around, up and around, and around, and around. Up and up, and up, and up. Up and up, and up, and up. Up and up, and up. Jump! Ah! Jump in the water. Ah! Oh man, I died. I want the 2-player, but my brother is eating. I can't 2-player. I want 2-player. The start is from right to left. Here. Right. I mean right. 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 What is this? Is this a racing? Let me see. What is this? Parkour. No. What is this? Oh, I don't like that. Can I understand what is it? Slender. Choose one player to be the Slender. Oh man, my brother is eating. Why keeping 2-player? Paper. Okay, we're gonna play this. Only me. I'm the Slender Man. But no one. Okay, let's out of here. My brother eating. I can play. Let's get out of here. Okay, my brother is here. Yay! He gonna play with me. He gonna join here. Yay! Wait for it to join. We're gonna play. We're gonna play some Slenderman. Slenderman. This game is simple. You just have to
Hey guys!
shoot. Oh, my brother's here. Yay! We're gonna play. Hey brother. We're gonna play some Slender. Here, Slender. I'm gonna be Slender. Okay? I got a sword. Find me. I am here. I am Slenderman. I'm here. I am Slenderman. I am Slenderman. I'm here. You can fight me. Yeah. Run for your life. I got a chest. Oh wait. I supposed to place the paper there. Yeah, there. And there. Find the papers. Punk. Find it. Find the papers, punk. Yes. I won the game. Okay, let's try another one. And another one. Let's try another one. And another one. Let's try the soccer. Don't go the soccer. Sorry guys. Let's play the arrow and bow. Okay. What? You have to shoot every diamond block. The fastest player wins the game. Okay. I'm gonna win. Win. Yes. I won, brother. Stop it. I said stop. Stop it. We're gonna play some soccer. Soccer balls. Snowball, Break me to start the game. Oh. Break me. Yes. Okay, let's start the game.
I'm a soccer.
Soccer ball. Oh, I win. Yeah. Yes, I won.
No, maybe.
No. This is mine. Yes, there. Right. Yes. Yeah.
Let's fight.
Run. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run. I got a sword.
Ouch.
I'm gonna kill you if you don't want to kill me. Oh. Yeah.
Ouch.
Yes. Super Cool was slain by Supergirl. Superboy. Okay, guys. We're gonna kill him again. And again. And again. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. I'm gonna kill another one. I got a bow. Yeah.
Ouch.
Hey, yeah. I got a stick. Ha! Whoa! I'm gonna die. Yes. Super Cool was slain by Superboy. Don't kill me. I got a sword. I got a stick. Yes. Yes, my mother. Hiya! Yeah. I got a sword. Here. I got a sword. Yeah. I got a sword. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh, excuse me. Hey, don't try to kill me. Yeah. Because I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. Oh, you're flying, huh? No. You're not gonna kill me. You're not going to kill me. You're not gonna kill me. You're not gonna kill me. You're gonna. Back to game. Another video. What? Why you kill me, huh?
Ouch.
Sucker.
I that kill you.
No, you killed me. You sucker, motherfucker. Ha! Punk. One hit for me. Ha! Why? Wait. Don't kill me. I'm gonna run.
I not kill you.
I'm not gonna kill you. Oh, whoa.
This one by
I'm,
the
I'm gonna get my items. Okay, there. Another one. And another one.
Zombie.
Oh, zombie.
Ouch.
Oh, zombie. Stop it, zombie. Ow. Zombie, stop it. Yes, I killed one zombie. I
And
mean.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, I am. Oh, wrong way.
Are you water?
Where? Oh, I'm stuck. I can't get out of here.
There's a creeper.
Hey, help me here.
Oh.
Ow.
There's a creeper.
Ow, why you hit me, huh?
I don't know.
Punk. I'm gonna out of here. And I'm out of here. Oh, thanks. And then I'm gonna kill you. I can't reach you. I'm gonna kill you, sucker. Ha!
Ouch.
Yes! Thank you. Skeleton. Oh, why you killing me? Huh? Why? I'm gonna kill you too.
I'm jumping. Our bed.
Yes!
Zombie.
Headshot.
Don't fight in our bed. Zombie.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end my video here. Please like and subscribe. No. And if you want more Minecraft video, please comment down below. And please subscribe my channel.
Shower zombie.
Please
Don't
subscribe.
hit me.
No.
Don't
Guys,
fight
please
on our bed.
subscribe. No. Please. If you can, if you want, please subscribe now to my channel. Please. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.